Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this channel, we will be just teaching. We'll be just showing how we can use Excel functions to prepare a strategy for that intraday trading. This can be used for those who are trying to learn the Excel or though into the intratraders. So basically, two of the simplest strategies that I shown it here. So one of the strategies that any stocks. So basically, I just taken two exports. One export from the NSE website at 9:30 and another from 9:45. So basically, on the first strategy, what we are trying to learn is that any stocks that had crossed the highs and the lows of 9:30 after 9:30, if I'm just taking an export and putting in this file, so it will show any stocks which has just crossed the 9:30 highs and lows. So I will just replicate the same formula here. So I will be just giving the cross 9:30 to this heading here, and I'm using two functions. One is the if functions, and the other is the VLOOKUP function. So I will start with the if function. If function, it has three components. Like it has logical test, what the logic that Excel has to identify, and what is the value is true and what is the value is false. So what will be the logical test? What I have to look is that the last trade price for the like at 9:14, if it is greater than, then I will be using the VLOOKUP because I have to get the value from the other tab. So VLOOKUP and the symbol I will be giving here, and what value I have to find. I have to find the high value because I'm just check the stock which has crossed that high mark, and it's the third column that I'm looking into. So it's three. What are the value I want? On the third column is the high and zero. If it is great, so this is the I just put that logical test. So this is my logical test, and what if the value is true? Then it should be I should get the result as high. So if you're giving an alphabet, please make sure that it's given on the inverted commas. So then only Excel will identify it as an alphabet. So and what if the value is false? So the next condition is that if the value is lower than the low of 930, it has to give any text like low value. So on that, I'm giving an another if condition. If value at 945, the last traded price of 945, if it is less than, uh, then we look up less than 930. So that will be I will be giving it the low. So the low is at the fourth column. So 4 0 then. So my logical test is completed. Then it should show as low, and then comma. And if it doesn't satisfy both the conditions, it should be blank. Okay, I just given it here. Okay, so why it is wrong is that in this 945 low. Okay. So what I had done wrong is that here I haven't selected that which value it has to look up. So here I just forgot to put the value what which it has to look at the 930 tab. So it doesn't satisfy that condition. So drag till the last where the data is, and then press Control and D. So it will take the highs and the low. And the second the second part is that if I had to just highlight, if it is high, then I have to highlight in green color. If it is low, I have to highlight in red color. So for that, I will be using a function called conditional formatting. In this conditional formatting, I will be just taking the format only cells that contains text with high, and go to the format and fill the formula, fill it is as a green color, and then say okay. So anything which is there is a value of high, it will highlight it with this green color. And the second condition I will give with the same thing, cell value or the specific text. If it is containing low, and go to the format, I can give it as red color. Okay, you just click OK, it will come as red color. So by that you can use this formula. The other formula is quite simple. So in this we have to identify any stock where the high is equal to low, sorry, high is equal to open. So that will be the low, or that stock is going on at its low, and the low is equal to open. That means the stock is going high, it has not break that its low, is the low for the day. So I can just explain it replicate the same thing. So here I'm just taking this formula high equal to low. So if where the high is in column C, if C equal E, so the last trading price is equal to the high is equal to last trading price, then just put an X mark, otherwise leave it as blank. It's quite simple. So you will get this formula as it is, and just drag it. So it will not work here. So what happened is that any stock, it's not the it's sorry, it's not the last traded price. I have to put. I think I'm making some it's equal to B. Okay, I have to put open equal to high. If open is equal to high, so that's the condition. If high is equal to open, then only it will work, because otherwise there was no stock on that. So put the formula and drag it to the end. So anything like if you can take the stock where the open and the high both are same, it will come at X. And same you can have the formula for high low is equal to open. So the low is at column D and the open is at column B. So it will take same if condition, you can use it on the other thing. And then I just prepared a dashboard by using an if condition. So on the NSE site you have seen there are stocks which are shown as advance and decline. So with this in this file itself you can find out. So it's quite simple. It's the count if. So count if function I can like count if it's just counting with the criteria. What is the range that has to count? So it's the percentage of change, and percentage of change if it is greater than zero, so that will be the advanced stock, which is, so I will be just getting 22 here. And for the decline it will be count if the range will be the same thing. If it is less than sorry, on the inverted comma you have to put it, if it is less than zero, so you'll get it here. And the same for the high and the low break. What I'd given is that the same condition with the value o is here. And if it is high, then instead of what I'd given is that the criteria, I can give high or I can give the low. And for the same here, and in based on this we can prepare a chart, that is insert. There is a lot of charts are available here. Just click on the value and give the chart, and the chart will come it here. And you can just format it with any of the formatting. That on the next video I will be going more detail on the pivotal charts, how we can make charts and how we can use the macros and all. I hope you like my video. So if you like the video, just subscribe it and just press the bell icon and just like my video, so that I can share more videos in future. Thank you for just watching and spending your precious time for this video. Thank you very much.